Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. And I just want to talk about the ability to take a loss, right? So yesterday I sort of had a plan to take a buy on GBP USD, but I was very skeptical about taking a buy. Reason because of recent market has been creating like lower lows and lower highs, and then it has been consolidating. If you're on the 15 minutes time frame, but if we stay to the 1 hour time frame, right, we're going to see that overall the market is still pretty much bullish. But at the moment, market is sort of like hesitating, sort of having some form of exhaustion, and a potential of a retracement to the downside. But before you have to confirm that, you want to take sales and you're looking to retrace to the downside, these lows, right, the major lows of this move has to have been taken out. Eventually, I saw hesitations, multiple week rejections, and then I saw a confirmation to take a buy, which I did, and it went in my direction earlier about 12 pips, and then eventually came to stop me out. Now, I started looking at the charts, and I was just asking questions that should I have waited for this structure? If I had waited for this major level, right, there was no entry for me, there was no entry confirmation. But I had an entry confirmation here at about 12:30, and even before I got into the trade, I was questioning the price position, because I'm very like big on price positioning, and I just kept asking myself the question, is this a valid price position point to take a buy? And another part of me is like, I don't want to take the trade because I don't want to take a loss, because I don't want to hit another stop loss, right? But the thing with trading is you don't really know the trade that is going to go well, even though like your high probability setup, the low probability setup, based off of the type of trades you have taken and your data, what trades will give you higher chances of winning and trades that will give you like lower chances. But where the question is you as a trader can't dictate when the market is going to move, or in what type of way the market is going to move, right? And I took the loss, I accepted it, and when I woke up this morning, I saw that Asian section already gave me like move back in my direction. And did I see sort of like a re-entry opportunity? Yes, I did, because when I saw these exhaustions, multiple week rejections again, then I saw the inside bar formation, I was asking myself, maybe I should get a re-entry criteria, right? But this is where it comes to you taking a loss and walking away so that you can protect your account. Capital protection is a very big priority, because you have to know when to be defensive and when to be offensive. You have to have that understanding of your trading, right? So I have a trading rule time where I only take trades from 8 a.m. London session to 4 p.m. After 4 p.m., I'm just looking at the chart, or I shut down my PC and just walk away. So you have to learn to also walk away, because that way you prevent yourself from like revenge trading. You prevent yourself from doing a lot of rash things, right? and you are able to put yourself in the right state of mind to prepare yourself for the next opportunity, because one trade, right, does not define your strategy or your system, or even you as a trader. Just one trade does not define you. It is only on a large sample of trades that you can define what type of trader you are and how profitable or how terrible you are as a trader. But just because you don't want to take one loss, or after taking a loss you want to immediately make that money back, you get angry, you are looking for revenge trade and stuff. For me, I take one trade a day, and even this week, right, I've only taken one trade this week, and it has been a loss, which is fine. The loss is just the 1% loss. Throughout this week, I've only taken one trade. Last week, I took 2 trades. One of the things that I've been growing into of recent is having the understanding that less is more. To be very honest, less is always more. You don't necessarily need to be in all trades. You don't necessarily need to take a lot of trades, because the more trades you take, the higher chances of putting yourself in trouble. So I wait patiently. I've learned in recent times, because of what I've experienced in the market, to be extremely patient. Wait for my setup to form. Wait for a retracement and a confirmation to get into a trade. If it does not happen, like right now, this trade has pretty well gone, is going in my direction after it has hit my stop loss. But I'm not bothered about this anymore, right? Because it's a gun trade. Now I'm preparing myself to look for another opportunity. So my entry confirmation has been formed right now on GBP USD this morning to take a buy. What I'm waiting for now is a retracement of this minor structure. Until this minor structure gets retraced, I won't take a trade. If it keeps going and I'll be like, I missed the trade. No, I didn't miss the trade, because my entry opportunity has not been given. Until I get my entry opportunity, I'm not taking any trade. So if the trade eventually keeps going and does not retrace, so be it. Tomorrow again, I will look for another opportunity, or later in the day. And if I don't get any other opportunity for the rest of it, I'm fine with that. Yes, this is very difficult to swallow, because we want to make money, you want to pass your account, you want to get funded, whatever, right? But the market really does not care. That's what you have to always tell yourself. The market does not care if you need money or not. The market does not care if you want to buy, you have to pass your challenge account or whatever. It does not give a fuck, right? The market will always be there, and the market will always be the market. It will behave however it wants. So that's it for this morning video, guys. I hope it makes sense to you. Let me just upload this and